NFT community, good morning. Simple Dylan here. After hosting my third space last night, listen guys, come close. It's become apparent that many of you artists are not paying attention to gas fees and the fluctuations that come with it. Sellers, you need to know when to mint, and buyers, you should know when it's cheap to buy. It makes sense, right? Mint smart. I'm going to show you a website now, and I swear by it, so enjoy. Go for a little bit of the background. As a car needs fuel to run, brum brum, Ethereum needs gas to run. It works on supply and demand. So the market dictates how much gas fees will be. When the network is under pressure, gas fees go up. When the network is quieter, gas fees go down. You also need to consider the speed at which you want your transaction to be executed. If you're willing to wait, your gas fees will be lower, and if you're in a hurry, you'll need to pay a little bit more. So ethgas.watch is an aggregated gas price feed that checks multiple data sources of the latest gas price. By aggregating these data sources, it provides a much more reliable median gas price. I just want to give a big shout out to the developer Wesley. This website for me is spot on, so thank you. So for new artists and price-conscious artists, the gas fees can make all the difference to you. So if you're insisting on minting in Ethereum, then pay attention to this site. The website allows you to set your gas price in way and that you're willing to pay. So let's say willing to pay 80, and then it will send you an automated email once it reaches the value you'll accept. Just popped in my Twitter feed there, look, at simplydylan_NFT. If you scroll down then, you'll see that the average gas fees for the rolling 7 days are as follows. The time zone is set in GMT. So as you can see right now, the gas fees are enormous. It's like 298, that's astronomical. So this week, the gas fees were the lowest at 9 AM GMT on Sunday. Historically, there's always been a lull on Saturday nights into Sunday, and gas fees are kind of generally lower between 8 PM and 7 AM GMT. That's it. It's all I've got to say on this really. Mint smart, collect smart, and if you have any questions, DM me, and be sure to follow, retweet, and like this post. That's all from Simply Dylan. Life is about simplicity. Thanks for tuning in.